Welcome back to another one, my people. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 apps you need for your social media marketing agency. These have been crucial in my workflow for my marketing agency with various reasons and can help you begin to enhance your personal user experience and automate your operational procedures for your client workflow. Let's kick things off with Metricool. Metricool is a game changer for managing your social media strategy. It's not just about posting, it's about optimizing and analyzing your efforts across all major platforms. Metricool's content calendar allows you to plan and schedule posts in advance across multiple platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Threads, all from one centralized dashboard. You can customize your posts for each platform to fit their unique styles and audiences. This means you can strategize your content for the week or month without jumping between apps. Imagine being able to set your post to go live when your audience is most active, maximizing engagement without being tied to your desk. With Metricool, you can even set specific times for each platform based on audience insights. It takes the guesswork out of posting, ensuring your content gets seen by as many eyes as possible. Next, let's talk about analytics. Metricool provides comprehensive reports on your social media performance, tracking key metrics like engagement, reach, and follower growth over time. You can analyze how different types of content perform across various platforms, allowing you to fine-tune your strategy for each channel. Want to know what resonates best with your audience on Instagram versus TikTok? Metricool makes it easy. Plus, you can create custom reports to share with clients, showing them exactly how their investment is performing and what adjustments you're making to optimize results. One of my favorite features is the competitor analysis. You can see how your performance stacks up against your competitors across multiple platforms. This is invaluable for spotting trends in your industry and adjusting your strategy accordingly. Knowledge is power, and understanding your competitors can give you a competitive edge. You can track competitors' engagement rates, follower growth, and posting frequency, giving you insights into what works in your niche. Use this information to differentiate your content and elevate your agency's strategy. Metricool also includes social media monitoring. You can track brand mentions, relevant hashtags, and industry keywords, allowing you to engage with your audience in real time. Whether it's responding to comments or jumping on trending topics, this feature helps you stay connected and responsive. Set up alerts for specific keywords related to your brand or industry. This way, you can engage with users who are discussing your brand, turning potential customers into loyal followers. Lastly, Metricool integrates with a range of tools like Google Analytics and Facebook ads. This means you can combine your social media data with website metrics, providing a complete picture of your marketing efforts. With Metricool, you can track the performance of your ads across different platforms, see which campaigns are driving traffic and conversions, and adjust your strategy in real time. This capability allows you to not only manage organic posts, but also ensures your paid advertising is effective. So there you have it. Metricool is a powerful app for social media marketing agencies. It streamlines your workflow, enhances reporting, and ultimately drives better results for your clients. Stripe is an essential tool for any social media marketing agency that handles transactions. It's designed to simplify payments for businesses of all sizes, but it really shines when it comes to low-ticket purchases. This makes it ideal for agencies offering services or products at lower price points, allowing you to convert more leads into paying customers. With Stripe, you can easily set up payment links for services or digital products without needing extensive technical knowledge. This allows your clients to make quick purchases directly from your website or social media platforms. The seamless checkout experience ensures that customers can complete transactions in just a few clicks, reducing cart abandonment and increasing sales. One of the standout features of Stripe is its range of API integrations. It offers a robust suite of APIs that allow you to customize and scale your payment processing as your business grows. This means you can integrate Stripe with a variety of platforms and services, including e-commerce sites, subscription models, and even marketplaces. Stripe also provides comprehensive reporting and analytics. You can track sales performance, understand customer behaviors, and optimize your pricing strategies based on real-time data. Additionally, Stripe's support for recurring billing makes it perfect for agencies offering subscription-based services. Whether you're running a monthly retainer or a membership site, Stripe handles the heavy lifting, ensuring that payments are processed smoothly. Moreover, Stripe has built-in fraud prevention measures, giving you peace of mind when handling transactions. You can manage disputes directly through their platform, making it easier to resolve issues and maintain customer satisfaction. In summary, Stripe is a powerful payment processing solution that excels in handling low-ticket purchases while offering a wide range of API integrations. It streamlines the payment process for you and your clients, enhances the overall customer experience, and provides essential tools for managing transactions effectively. If you want to elevate your agency's payment processing, Stripe is definitely an app you need in your toolkit. DocuSign. DocuSign is a must-have tool for any social media marketing agency that deals with contracts and client agreements. It streamlines the process of getting documents signed, saving you time and eliminating the hassle of paper documents. With DocuSign, you can send contracts, proposals, and agreements electronically, allowing clients to sign from anywhere on any device. This convenience not only speeds up the signing process, but also enhances the overall client experience. You can create templates for frequently used documents, making it easy to generate contracts in seconds. This is particularly useful for agencies that have standard agreements, such as service contracts or partnership agreements. The platform also offers advanced security features to ensure that all documents are protected. DocuSign complies with global security standards, so you can trust that sensitive information is kept safe. You can track the status of each document in real time, receiving notifications when a client views or signs a document. This feature provides transparency and allows you to follow up effectively without being intrusive. DocuSign integrates seamlessly with a variety of tools and platforms, including CRMs, project management software, and email clients. This means you can incorporate electronic signatures into your existing workflows without any disruptions. Whether you're sending a proposal through email or attaching a contract in a project management tool, DocuSign makes it easy to manage the entire signing process. Additionally, DocuSign allows you to collect payments at the time of signing. This feature is invaluable for agencies offering services where payment is due upon agreement, ensuring you get paid promptly. In summary, DocuSign is a powerful electronic signature solution that simplifies the contract signing process for social media marketing agencies. It enhances efficiency, improves client satisfaction, and integrates effortlessly with your existing systems. If you want to streamline your document workflows and ensure secure transactions, DocuSign is an essential app for your agency. Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that every social media marketing agency should consider. It combines notes, tasks, databases, and wikis into a single platform, making it incredibly versatile for team collaboration. One of the standout uses of Notion is as a CRM, allowing you to manage client relationships and projects all in one place. With Notion, you can create a client database where you store essential information about each client, such as contact details, project history, and communication log. This centralization makes it easy to access client information when you need it, ensuring that your team has everything at their fingertips. You can set up custom properties to track important metrics, such as contract dates, billing cycles, and project statuses, giving you a comprehensive view of each client relationship. Notion's project boards help you manage client campaigns effectively, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. You can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working towards common goals. The customizable templates allow you to set up your workspace according to your agency's unique needs. Whether you need a content calendar, client onboarding checklist, or project management dashboard, Notion can handle it all. Notion's powerful database functionality enables you to manage and track all your content ideas in one place. You can create databases for blog posts, social media content, and even client projects, allowing you to filter and sort based on different criteria. This feature is perfect for brainstorming and keeping your content pipeline organized, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. In addition to project management, Notion serves as a central hub for your agency's documentation. You can create a knowledge base for standard operating procedures, best practices, and client information, making onboarding new team members as a breeze. The collaborative features allow team members to comment and provide feedback directly within the document, fostering communication and collaboration. Notion also integrates with various tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Trello, enhancing your agency's workflow. This means you can link to external documents, chat with your team, or manage projects seamlessly, all within one platform. Another great feature is Notion's ability to create shareable pages for clients. You can build client-facing dashboards to showcase project progress, share reports, and gather feedback, all without sending multiple emails. In summary, Notion is a powerful tool that enhances collaboration, organization, and productivity for social media marketing agencies. Its versatility allows you to manage projects, documents, and client relationships all in one place, streamlining your operations. If you want to improve your team's efficiency and keep your agency organized, Notion is an essential app to incorporate into your toolkit. Zapier. Zapier is an essential tool for any social media marketing agency looking to automate processes and improve efficiency. It acts as a bridge between your favorite apps, allowing them to communicate and work together seamlessly. With Zapier, you can automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing the risk of human error. For instance, you can set up automated workflows known as Zaps that trigger actions in one app based on events in another. Imagine automatically adding new leads from a web form directly into your Notion CRM or Google Sheets. This means you can focus on more strategic tasks rather than spending time on manual data entry. Zapier can also help you streamline your content creation process. You can automate the sharing of new blog posts or social media updates across various platforms, ensuring that your content gets maximum exposure without additional effort. For example, when you publish a new post on your blog, Zapier can automatically share it on your social media channels, saving you the hassle of posting manually. Another powerful use of Zapier is in managing client communications. You can set up notifications in Slack or email whenever a client signs a contract through DocuSign, ensuring your team is always in the loop. This automation helps you respond quickly to client actions, enhancing your customer service. Zapier can also integrate with payment platforms like Stripe, allowing you to automate invoicing and payment tracking. For example, when a client makes a payment through Stripe, you can automatically update your client database in Notion or create a new record in your accounting software. This reduces the manual effort involved in tracking payments and ensures your records are always up to date. Furthermore, Zapier can help you collect and analyze data across different platforms. You can create workflows that pull in analytics data from your social media accounts and compile it into a report in Notion or Google Sheets. This automation allows you to generate insights quickly, helping you make informed decisions about your marketing strategy. In summary, Zapier is a powerful automation tool that enhances the efficiency of social media marketing agencies. By connecting your favorite apps and automating repetitive tasks, Zapier allows you to focus on what truly matters, delivering value to your clients. If you want to streamline your processes and eliminate manual tasks, incorporating Zapier into your workflow is a smart move. Incorporating various software tools like Metricool, Stripe, DocuSign, Notion, and Zapier into your social media marketing agency can significantly optimize your client workflow and establish a systematic approach to managing essential processes. These applications streamline everything from content creation and project management to payment processing and document signing, enabling your team to work more efficiently and effectively. By automating repetitive tasks and centralizing client information, you can enhance communication and collaboration while reducing the risk of errors. This organized structure not only improves your agency's productivity, but also ensures that you consistently deliver exceptional service and fulfillment to your clients, ultimately driving growth and success in your business. Try these out and let me know what you think about them in the comment section, or if you prefer to use alternative softwares for these various purposes.